Hello, in this tutorial we'll design this geometric shape. So first of all, let me start with the circle of radius 29. Let me start with the circle of radius. Let me start it here at the origin of radius 29, and then zoom in a little bit and start the other circle of radius 20. Now let's go back to what we're drawing. If you look at this particular circle here, is 40 units to the left of the origin and 34 units up along the y-axis. So I can start a circle, and then I'll just type in minus 40, 34. That should be the center of the circle, and then radius is 8, and the circle by the right is diameter 22, and the location is x40, y34. So let me just draw that too. 40 by 34, and then its diameter. So let me just right click, choose diameter, and then type in 22. That's it. So if you look at this circle, this one, the distance between these two circles, the quadrants of these two circles is 4. That means this arc, the radius of this arc should be 12. The radius of the arc, because if you add 4 to 8, it should give you 12. And here, this one is 38 diameter. So let me just come here, draw another circle with center, with a common center with this circle, and radius 12. And then this one is 38. I made a mistake. Sorry about that. This is diameter 38. Okay, we are through with these ones. Now it's remaining this. So the positioning of this, because here is our 0, the way we place this circle at the origin. So here is the zeros. So the position of this one is 0, 34 plus 34, which is 68. So we'll start a new circle command, and then type in 0, 68. That's our center, and the radius of this circle, the diameter is 58, and the smaller one is the radius is 15.7. So let's deal with the bigger one first. Let's right click, choose diameter 58, and press enter. Let's press enter again to restart circle command. This time around radius is 15.7. That's it. So we're almost through. What we now need to do is to draw this arc that is tangential to this circle, the outside circle. So this arc is 100, this one is 50. So I'll use a tangent radius circle to do that. Tangent radius, I'll come here, it's asking for the first tangent, I'll specify here. For the second tangent, I'll specify here. The radius is 100. You can see the circle there. Then I'll restart the circle. The first tangent is here, second tangent is here, and the radius is 50. So let me just trim off this and trim off this. So all I need to now do is If you look at the drawing, here is 100, here is 100, here is 50, here is 50. So all I need to do is to mirror these two arcs to this place. And I'm almost done. So I'll go to mirror, click on it, select the two arcs, press enter. The center of the circle that I'm supposed to use, I'll select it and then click along the line and I'm done. So all I need to do is to do my finishing touches, trim off here, trim off here. Now what is remaining is the circles, the smaller circles that are on the circumference of this circle and this circle. This one, the smaller circle is of radius 3. So let me just, and this one, the smaller circle is of radius 4. So let me start circle command, center radius. Right, I'll come here, I'll draw a circle of radius 3. Restart the command, come here, draw a circle of radius 4. Now I'll go to polar array, select this circle and press enter. It's asking for the center point of array. I'll come here and click and I'm done. Now I'll go to the same array, restart array, select this circle and press enter. Cancel for center point of array. I'll select the center of this place, but we need 8 objects here. If you look at this place, it's 8, it's not 6. This one is okay, 6, but this one is 8. So I'll just, all I need to do now is come to the item count, change it to 8, and then press enter. It will update. Then I can now close my array. So we are through with our design. So let me just put few annotation, dimension, then I'm through. Let me use the linear dimension. I can pick here, select here, and drop is 34. Select here, select here, the center of this circle is 34. Now let me select here and select this center, it's 40. Let me still select this center and this center is 40. Now let me go and change to radius. Let me pick this is 12. Let me pick this is 8. Let me pick this is 19. Let me pick this is 100. And let me pick this is 50. So I'll stop here. Thanks for watching.